Say it. Say, hi.
Hi, welcome to Family Adventure. Today we're making paper airplanes.
That's right. Today we're making paper airplanes. Today's paper airplane is Nakamura glider. This design was created in the 1970s by a Japanese folder called Nakamura. It is based on a classic design, but it incorporates a simple yet clever lock, that prevents the extra layers of the wings from opening out. So on a scale of 1 to 6, it has 3 speed, it has 5 in range, it has 3 in durability, and it has 2 in difficulty. Alright, so Daddy, pass out the papers.
Alright, what color paper?
I want green. Blue.
Green one?
Blue one.
Blue one?
I just want to match all the
Blue
colors.
one. What color do you want, Mommy?
I don't care.
Red.
Red. Alright, so step 1. Oh, wait till Daddy gets it. With the paper vertical
Hold on. With
and the plain
color
side
down.
is up, so the design is down, right? Fold the sheet in half long ways, edge to edge, then crease, and then unfold. So you have it in half, and you crease it, and you unfold it, so it looks like this. Right here. Gotta crease it more though. There, open it back up like this. Like Emily, go look.
Here, mine already open.
Open it up. Fold both the upper corners down along the line. So just like the one we did yesterday. It's going to look like this. Is it folded?
Like a house.
Yeah, kind of like a house. Or a, what shape is it?
Pentagon.
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 there's a pentagon.
Yeah.
That's a pentagon.
Yeah. Do you need help, son?
I don't know how to do this.
Huh?
Here, sure. I can do
Ooh.
Now do the other side.
Two.
There you go. Good. Now fold the corner at the top down the imaginary line to meet the area circled, so it needs to be about right here.
It's like a little house.
Yeah, you need to fold it down.
It's like a little house. Kind of like it looks like an envelope.
And then
Yeah, it looks like an envelope.
it does look like an envelope.
And it looks like a little house.
That's right.
Here's
Little
the
house.
Do it.
Little house don't look like this. Just like this.
Alright, then fold the left half of the upper edge along the imaginary broken line. So you're going to take this part right here and the left part and you're going to fold it in.
This? Like that? Wait, this is the red. Right here?
Let me see. Can I
This
let me
one?
help you?
This one? Yep. That's this one.
Do you not know which one's your left and which one's your right?
This. Look.
That's right. Okay. Step 5. Fold the right half of the upper edge along the imaginary broken line
Do the same.
to line up on the vertical center piece. So yes, you're going to do the same thing on the other side too.
Well, that's weird. It's like a little bitty baby house.
It's like a little bitty baby house.
Little baby house.
Number 6, fold the small triangle that you have.
Right on the bottom, right there.
Fold it up.
And like this.
Fold it up.
I folded up. Good job. Now what do I do? Yeah.
Number 7, fold the right half of the model behind the left half. So you're going to put it
I don't know how to do this.
like this, or yeah, like this.
Mommy, keep
So,
floating
like
on.
Yeah, like this.
And you're just going to fold it in half, so
I can do that.
yeah, like this. clockwise.
little baby house.
Fold the lower edge of the top layer upward along the imaginary broken line to lie on the horizontal edge. So you're going to take this part and you're going to fold it in half.
This one. You take this one with?
No. You're going to fold
This?
it like this.
Did I do it right?
Yes.
This.
Now let's make a paper airplane like this. What? There's a long time.
This.
Oh, this is a paper
And do the
airplane.
same on the, and then repeat on the other side.
So,
On this side?
Rotate the plate 180 degrees. Open the wings to match the sketch of the profile that's underneath the
This?
illustration.
I don't know how to do the other one. Like this.
Just do it just like you did that side.
Like this?
Oh, that's gonna work good.
Look at, like, is this the other side of this? Is this the other side
Kind
of
of showing
this?
the original picture of the plane and that, and then compare it to all of ours.
Really?
Show this picture and this picture to the camera, and then it'll compare to all of ours. There's yours. There's,
All right. Well,
this
here's
is yours.
mine.
I already did mine. Yeah.
Hold it underneath.
Oh yeah, I was right. I was right.
That's Terrence.
I was
What
white.
is Terrence?
I was white too.
Here's Mommy's.
I'm just acting all the colors.
Here is someone's Naomi's.
Alright, Mommy's got the camera. Let's go outside and we'll see
Yes.
who flies the furthest.
I don't know.
I never fly the
I don't know
phone.
what to say.
Go stand by the van like last time. Ooh, it is hot out here.
My turn. Me first.
Hold on, Taryn. Alright, go ahead, Taryn. Woo!
Go a little bit.
You gotta throw it up.
I'm sorry.
Okay, Naomi. Rain. Daddy.
Where did mine go?
Alright, Mommy's turn. Or Daddy, you wanna fly Mommy's for me? I look like crap though.
Oh, one over there.
Okay,
Woohoo.
so I think that these ones, they're really cool to make. And they actually go faster than the other ones, but their accuracy levels aren't very
Let me try
very
it with
good.
the-
From Japanese cooking.
Ready?
Yeah?
Wow.
Yeah, they keep going
Oh,
back.
okay.
It's cool though.
Look, me try.
It goes beautiful.
Go ahead, Darren, throw it again.
Yeah, it goes like a real
See?
paper
Did you
airplane.
see that, Mom?
It goes like
Yeah.
this. Oh my goodness, I want to go button. See, look. Woo. Pretty. Mine was.
These ones don't go far away. Some ah! Rain almost took me out with it. Go ahead.
Whoa!
Viral.
I caught
All right,
mine.
Daddy.
I caught mine.
I don't remember what to say. Have someone else do it. You do it.
Please subscribe. Bye. And please subscribe to our page.
Bye.
The wind will
Bye-bye.
catch it when it opens?
Okay, I'll do it like this. Whoop.
No.